is everything. Is everything. What is meant to be will be.
Alright, so hey y'all, I'm back and I'm showing you guys this unit from Evawigs. You guys know I've worked with them in the past. So this is what their packaging looks like. So you get some bobby pins in your packaging, a pamphlet that tells you about your unit, how to wash it and things, an elastic band, a comb, and some wig caps. So let's just jump right in. So this is the unit that I got. This is the Ashanti inspired full lace wig. It is an ombre wig, and as you guys can see, it's blonde. Your girl is trying something new. Brown girls can do blonde too. Ow! So this unit is 100% human hair. More specs about the wig will be on the screen, but as you guys can see, it comes in a middle part, but you can go ahead and change the parting and stuff, and you guys will see me do that. But this is just what it looks like when it comes out of the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and tone the blonde wig, and I'm using the Wella toner in Beige Blonde, and I'll be mixing that with 20 volume developer. I got these items from my local beauty supply store because the hair is really yellow and it's not fitting, so I wanted to make this unit more wearable for my skin complexion. So yes, that's what I'm doing, and I just put like half of the bottle in that mixture. I kind of eyed it. These are not like exact measurements, and I did wet the unit down so that it would be easy for me to apply the concoction because I want to get the yellow out of the unit as much as possible. This was my first time toning a wig, and it's actually really simple, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the toner all over the wig. You just want to make sure you get it through all of the strands, and I did kind of take it up to the roots. The roots are like a lighter brown, excuse me, but you don't necessarily have to put any toner on it. I have a half a bottle of the toner left, so you only need half of it to tone a full wig. And then once I get done like applying this toner, I'm just going to go ahead and take my comb, and I'm going to comb it all the way through just to ensure that it got on both sides of the unit, and then you guys will see me flip it over and repeat the same steps on the other side. I do want to note, when you purchase a full lace wig, guys, you have to do some adjustments to it so that it fits you best. They're typically not just take them out the box and put them on your head. I don't think most wigs are. You have to do some adjustments, whether they're minor or large adjustments. But this is just what the unit looked like once I applied all of the toner and everything. I let it sit on there for about 15 minutes, and I'm completely rinsing it out. And then I'm going to take this purple shampoo that I found at Walmart. I just bought a packet of it because I wasn't sure how well it was going to work, and this is just going to help, you know, make sure it's not brassy, get the yellowness out of it after I toned it, and just, you know, make sure the color stays vibrant. And as you guys can see, it suds up really nicely. Now this unit is super soft, and the unit was already processed when I got it. So after I did all of this to the unit, it's nice. The hair is really nice. Now blonde hair does shed a bit, guys. That's to be expected with blonde hair because it is processed. But yeah. And as you guys can see, it's not super yellow anymore. It looks really nice, and I'm just taking my tweezers and I'm going to go ahead and pluck the frontal. Now it does come plucked, but I'm just going to go ahead and pluck it a bit more. I don't like to pluck my frontals too much because sometimes you can pluck them and they'll look bald, and I don't want to have a wig that's bald around the hairline. So I'm just plucking it to my desired look. Decided to go ahead and create some baby hairs. It does come with baby hairs at the very top, but not really around the hairline, like on the sides. So I'm just taking my shears and I'm just making some really minimum ones, nothing too major. This is how much hair I plucked out of the frontal. So yeah, I took a lot of hair out the frontal. But anyway, so this is how the unit looks like blow dried. I just blow dried it. As you guys can see, it's a blunt cut. Super cute. The length is about 16 inches, I believe. So yes, and now it's the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. I'm just using some powder because I did not bleach my knots. I never do. I don't have time for all of that. So powder does the trick. And then I'm just putting some powder on to my wig cap because I'm not really doing the real stocking cap method. But I did wand curl the unit off camera, And then this is just how it turned out. I'm adjusting the straps. I applied the unit to my head. As you guys can see, it's looking so bomb. I'm so shocked. And I'm just clipping it back because now I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I'm using the yellow Got To Be Glue gel, and I'm just applying that around my hairline. Then I'll take my blow dryer, let that dry on cool heat for about 1 minute, and then I'll get to applying the unit. So you don't have to put a whole lot of gel, just enough for it to hold. I'm pulling my unit down onto my hairline, and I just do section by section. So I'm starting off with this side and just making sure I get it situated how I want it to be. And I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and like press the lace into my hairline, and I'll be using the blow dryer to, you know, get that in place. And I did the same process across the unit to get it attached to my head. And now I'm like perfecting my baby hairs. I'm using just some foaming mousse to get them into place. And then this edge brush. I really like this edge brush for like frontals. It works really good. And I'm just getting it together. So I decided to do like the flip over method and not really part it. Tuck some of the hair behind my ear, give you a little baby hair. I'm really shocked that I'm really loving this because, fun fact, I do not like blonde hair. I'm not fond of it. But this just changed my mind. Like, this has given me life, as you guys can see. And I just kind of like slick down the front a little bit with some hairspray to keep that in place. And this is what it looks like from all angles. It's so cute. The wand curls held so good in this unit, y'all. Like, what? Make sure you check out Evawigs so you can get you a unit like this or a different unit. They are having their anniversary sale, so be sure to check them out. Everything will be linked in the description box below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.